These are gonna be the elevators here at Park Place 666 Burrard in downtown Vancouver. They used to be Elevonic 401s, but they're now modded. Got no cameras here. They retrofitted the new LEDs and chimes in the old lanterns, as you can see.
Yeah, he just melts. He just melts, you know. Yeah. He said, she's just so cute, Mom. And her brother. Well, he's 8 years older.
Yeah.
I told you about the story, right?
Yeah, of course.
So, and to him, it's just like, nobody touched my baby.
Yeah.
It's just so cute.
I'm just an elevator fan, by the way.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah, that's all I'm doing. I do videos and pictures of elevators.
If you're okay with that, then you're happy.
All right, just letting you know. Going up?
28.
28.
Going up.
I'm just doing videos of the elevators. I'm an elevator fan.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. These are pretty fast.
I like the ones that have personal people in them that's kind of, take you there and have these.
You mean like the ones with the operators?
Yeah, operators, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Going up.
Yeah, these were modded recently. They upgraded these.
Good to know.
Yeah.
33rd floor.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah, this is at 666 Burrard, so this is the Devil's Building in downtown Vancouver.
Floor. Going down.
Oh, that elevator's out of service. That's too bad. These used to be Otis Elevonic 401 from 1984, and they had the drunk male voice like the Atlanta Marriott Marquis, but modded in 2016 by Otis. Going down? Just doing a video of the elevators. I do videos of elevators. It's a hobby of mine.
Going down.
Oh, hey, sorry. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh, hopefully Haley left sick. I hope she doesn't get me sick.
She left sick?
Jennifer, yeah.
And I'm gonna get off
Oh,
here.
I've been washing my hands as much.
Old Otis logo.
Yeah, have a good day.
There it goes. I want to hear the chime. That's an interesting chime. Well, there they go.